nice to him. The boy I love him barely. Just poison him, baby. Then you end up on breaking news where I can then talk about you. So ladies, poison your man, go to jail. Then I have a story to talk about on breaking news here on Cue the Mic, people. Yes, I am back. And the song you were just listening to was from Rama. GB Gone Again. Shout out to Rama one time, cause that one there had me laughing here in the studio. That one there had me dying in the studio. What a song, cause it's true. But let me tell you something, GB is not gone here at Tropixx 105.5 FM. It is still on. It's still on. So let's start off with your news for today, people. So we're gonna start off in Barbados. 17 injured in mass casualty collision in Barbados. So this looks like 17 persons complained of injuries, 16 from the route taxi, including the driver and passenger in the pickup. The collision is a mass casualty, and a medical doctor and 8 ambulance service personnel treated the injured person on site. Wow. Police stated that 8 people were transported to the Queen Elizabeth Hospital, 7 were transported to the fast track at the Sir Winston Polyclinic, and 2 were treated on the scene and was discharged. Well, looks like a bus and a truck collide and then boom. Problems. Now let's see what's happening around Antigua. Police express concerns over rising numbers of missing persons. Whoa. So, the police administration in Antigua has expressed serious concern regarding the increased number of missing person cases reported within a short time frame. Let's see how many people was missing so far in Antigua. You know what? They don't know the location, so might as well play down. Location. Okay, sorry. No, Omarique, that's rude. No. That's very rude. People, it's only jokes. Please, do not come after me. I'm sorry. So, most recently, they had a York in Antigua that has been missing, last seen on February 26th. Then, they also had a David missing on January 25th. Then, a Christian missing on November 4th. So, within the span of 4 months, you can say, 3 people have gone missing. Well. Hopefully they find them. You know what I mean? Now, this is some exciting news. Trilogy, the performer from the Heineken Regatta, has won Dominica's first Bouillon Road March title with Rags, featuring Trilogy, Skinny Fabulous, and Shelly Belly. I have to play that song live on air for you guys to listen to eventually. Now let's see. This is a good headline. Caribbean leader speaks out on U.S. sanction on Cuba's medical aid. Okay. Trump, behave yourself. That's what they're trying to tell you. Now let's see what's happening in St.Maarten. St.Maarten, yeah. Whoa, lot of mercy. Now, alleyway transformation project engages over 100 volunteers. So more than 100 volunteers have participated in the ongoing alleyway transformation project, a community initiative led by the Change Foundation at Color Me SXM. The project includes cleaning and painting both walls of an alley and creating a 200 plus square meter mural. So, shout out to Color Me SXM. Yes, you can see the picture here. So proud of it. The alley is, I wonder which alley this is. This is from Boardwalk to, don't know exactly which alley it is, but it's really nice. Given Phillipsburg a bright color. Bright color, of course, of course. Now, me I gotta take it to Grand Cause because Le Mardi des Grands Cause, a colorful opening to this evening. So every Tuesday in Grand Cause, they'll be having festivities. Festivities. Yes, people. So go check that out. It starts today, March 11th to April 1st, Boulevard des Grands Cause, where you'll be hearing some local music, you're seeing some parades passing, and some performances. So go check that out. Go check that out. Speaking of which, partial road closure of Manjack Drive, Colby. Now, where is this? Where is our Manjack Drive? I don't even know. And I live Colby. Oh, God. So, the Ministry of Public Housing, Environment and Infrastructure, VROMI, informed the public and residents of Colby that roadworks of Manjack Drive commenced on Monday as part of concrete hard resurfacing project 2023 and 2024. So let's see where this is. The works will require a half road closure between 7 and 4 p.m. daily and is expected to last between 2 weeks. I'm trying to see where's Manjack Drive. I don't even know where this is. SMG, do you know where Manjack Drive is? Let me check Google Maps so I can inform my listeners properly. Google Maps, doing it live for you guys. Where in Father Uncle is Manjack Drive? Colby. Okay. We have the map open right now. Oh, but I ain't really. Wow. So it's not really interrupting the traffic, but it's on the Union Road where you take the corner from the hill and you see the Old Tree Chinese, but it's directly in front of the Old Tree Chinese food spot. So like you're driving to Marigot and that one turn, but it just closes the road, like the side road, basically, where it has the apartments. It doesn't close the main road. So, yeah. But thank you for informing us, Romy. Thank you very much. That will take 2 weeks. So, you know, it might have some traffic, but it won't at the same time. Let's see what else is happening in St.Maarten. Let's see what else. Oh, this weekend has the Causeway Jump Up. The Causeway Jump Up this weekend. We'll have that. So, starts from 8 p.m. Starts from, if I'm not mistaken, Kimsha, goes around Simpson Bay, over the Causeway, comes back through Union Road, passing in front of Port Plaisance, and then ends up right back at Kimsha to end it off. So look out for that, people. If you don't have nothing to do, go jump up, go enjoy yourself, go free up. Carnival is starting. Now, my last story for today is a sad one, but homicide in Sandy Ground. A young man shot dead. Tragedy took place last Friday in Sandy Ground around 10 p.m. where St.Maarten firefighters intervened an unconscious victim on the public highway. So, basically, the victim, age 22, was not known to the justice system. However, circumstances of tragedy remain to be clarified. May his soul rest in peace. May his soul rest in peace. We have to stop the violence, people. Stop the violence. Put the guns down. And yes. So that was your Caribbean news of the today. When we come back, we have your sports news. So do not go anywhere. Caribbean sports news. We'll be right back.